Yo, what's up? Alright, this one is about autumn. I had another one that was about autumn, but it was more rage, like hard. But this time it's about plugin B. So, see, I think I did kinda alright.
Forever, it ain't hard forgetting about you, but you know I wouldn't do that.
I got the layers, I got the layers. I'm gonna show you. I cannot stand this no more. I'll be counting up days when I'm not counting up these foes. Every time I see you, I swear I lose control. Every time I miss you, I swear it hit my soul. Smoking all these lines, but I swear I'ma show it with the without the beat, like all of it without the beat. Actually, I'ma show the ad libs first. I mean, here's the ad libs. Gotta show these first, you know. I'm gonna show it all of it without the beat, then I'm gonna show it with the beat. I cannot stand this no more. I be counting up days when I'm not counting up these foes. Every time I see you, I swear I lose control. Every time I miss you, I swear it hit my soul. Smoking all these lines, but I swear it be too cold. Lost a lot of niggas, but when I see you, I don't fold. Alright, I'm gonna show it with the beat. I cannot stand this no more. I be counting up days when I'm not counting up these foes. Every time I see you, I swear I lose control. Every time I miss you, I swear it hit my soul. Smoking all these lines, but I swear it be too cold. Lost a lot of niggas, but when I see you, I don't fold. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Peace.